Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a crispy and tasty snack, rice vada. It's made from leftover rice and ready in just minutes. Let's get cooking. Take 1 cup of cooked rice. Add half cup of milk and blend until smooth. Do not add too much water while blending. Keep the batter thick. Rice vada is a popular snack in many Indian households. It's a smart way to reuse leftover rice without wasting it. Now add 3 tablespoons of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of suji and half teaspoon salt. Add 2 tablespoons chopped onion, 1 teaspoon ginger and 1 green chili. Mix everything well. In rural kitchens, this snack is often made on wood-fired stoves. The word vada simply means fritter or cutlet in many regions. Let it rest for 5 minutes. Resting the mixture helps suji absorb moisture and bind well. Now add half teaspoon cumin and 2 teaspoons chopped coriander leaves. Mix again. Grease your hands with a little oil. Take some of the mixture and make shape. Apply oil to your hands before shaping to avoid sticking. Fry in medium heated oil. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes until golden and crispy. Fry on medium heat to ensure even cooking inside and out. Rice gives quick energy and is easy to digest. Suji adds texture and is rich in iron. Onions and ginger support digestion and immunity. Home-fried snacks can be healthier when made in clean oil and controlled heat. And your crispy rice vadas are ready to enjoy. Do you have leftover rice right now? Try this recipe and let us know. Which veggie would you like to add to your rice vada? Share your photos with us in the comments. Like, follow and share if you love simple homemade snacks. Thanks for watching Oven Cake and Cookies. See you in the next delicious recipe.